Hey, I'm Nick Longworth. This is SICK's robot guidance demo for depalletizing. What you're seeing is our PLB software, which does 3D robot guidance. It's using a PLB 510 robot mounted to detect these boxes in space, find a position for them in the robot's coordinate system, and provide a collision-free path plan to the box in order to repalletize it here. For customers, this is a system that can enable them to do depalletizing applications more robustly. Pallets may come in with mixed SKUs, they may come in with items that have different stack patterns, they could be a deformed pallet where items are all over the place. The vision system allows customers to be able to still pick these items up and place them effectively on a conveyor or any other sort of process after pick. SICK provides the camera and the software solution. We can work with any robot. It doesn't really matter to us which robot. What you're seeing here is a UR10 that is pretty capable of doing at least what you see here. Other than that, that's our demo.